What a beautiful dress. Quelle belle robe. Welcome in this show. C'est vrai qu'on a l'impression qu'elle est sortie d'un film ou d'un rêve. Feels like you're an angel coming out from a dream or from a David Lynch movie. Everybody talk to you about David Lynch and tout le monde lui parle comme ça de cette référence très BO de film, musique, ambiance Mulholland Drive. Is that true that everybody talked to you about David Lynch and you didn't know exactly his work, and then you went to the theater, you see what all the movies, and now you're a fan. Is that true?
I am a fan now. Yeah, when I started singing when I was 18, people always asked me if I liked David Lynch. I think because my songs were really creepy and dark. And so I started watching his films, and I really related to the choices he made. So I did become a fan.
And now you understand why people say there is something between you and David Lynch. Did you meet David Lynch? Or
no.
Not yet?
No, I haven't.
Do you like to be an actress? Do you like to be a movie star? and a singer? I mean,
I don't think so.
No?
I can't act.
Really?
No.
You never think about that?
No.
Maybe one day, it doesn't matter. Ok. Alors, elle dit qu'elle a commencé à chanter, elle a même commencé à écrire des chansons. You say you began to sing at 18, but you wrote songs when you were 11, which is quite early. What kind of songs did you write at 11?
I didn't write many songs when I was 11, only a few. They were love songs, and then I stopped, and then I started again when I was 18.
And it's again, video game, it's
another love song.
It's a love song again. It is a true story. Est-ce que c'est une histoire vraie qu'un mec puisse ne pas passer son temps à l'aimer, à s'occuper d'elle, mais plutôt à jouer à ses jeux vidéo? Is this boy somewhere else? Is it a true story or not?
It is a true story. He's somewhere else. I don't know where he is,
But he spent more time with his joystick. I mean, with the video game than with you.
No, I mean it wasn't a sad story. It just sounds like a sad song. I mean, it was a happy story. Like I don't know, we were just two people who found each other at the time and just enjoyed the simple things in life. Like he played video games. I would come home and do my work and my homework, and it was like, it was simple and it was nice.
So it's about everyday life, like it's like usual, and everybody gets kind of habits, and then they miss each other. That's it.
Well, also about sort of letting go of the idea of success in the traditional way. Like, I wasn't having much luck as a singer, and I was okay with that. So I started letting go of my personal ambitions, and I just started enjoying my personal relationships.
So you get ambition. Elle a de l'ambition quand même, puisqu'elle a participé à New York à ces fameux open mic dont on s'est inspiré, qui sont fréquents. You went to an open mic and you didn't win during this open mic, but some people in the room, in the place, or in the club. Was it a club, a bar? What kind of place was it?
Yeah, it was a bar.
It was a bar. Somebody was there and he asked you to sign a contract with the record company. You did that, and you met David Kane, a producer. Alors c'est pas n'importe qui, ce monsieur David, il a quand même produit et travaillé avec Paul McCartney, avec les Strokes, avec Regina Spektor, avec Bruce Springsteen, avec No Doubt. And you did the first album, which is not this one, the one we are waiting for. Il y a un deuxième album que l'on attend, mais elle a fait un premier album. And thanks to David, you met Paul McCartney. Tell us what happened with McCartney. He was in the studio, or is it just rumors, gossip? Is that
How
true?
do you even know that? I did meet him.
I did my homework. That's it.
I did. I said hello. That was it.
Well, come on. If you see Paul McCartney, you say hello and nothing else?
Well, he was around the studio, because David was working on his record, so he and his son were there.
But did you ask for some, I don't know, advices, some
no, but
some featuring, some one day perhaps I can support you on the tour, or please come on my album. No, you didn't say anything.
People don't really like that kind of thing.
Okay, but you asked for an instrument. Et elle a demandé à avoir un instrument. Sorry, how do I know that?
I know
everything.
I don't remember. I wanted to use a baby piano, a very small children's piano. And then I wasn't allowed to because he had already used it for the record or something.
Did it sound like a music box? Like
Yes.
yeah.
And so I pouted, and he said, "Don't pout. Don't pout." That's all he said. It's not a good story.
No, yes, and they say you'll find another toy, you'll find another
You'll
instrument.
find another toy, yes.
Voilà, non, mais on a travaillé quand même.
I don't know how you know that.
I don't know, no. Non, moi non plus, je sais pas comment je sais ça. Ensuite, ce qui s'est passé, c'est qu'il y a eu Video Games. Alors Video Games, il faut dire que you act like a director for your clip. You do by yourself, by your own. Elle fait elle-même ses vidéos.
Yeah.
With old pieces of movie or cartoons that you found on the internet.
On YouTube. Yeah, I mean, I'm not a director because I didn't direct those people, but I was an editor.
Editor, voilà, c'est ça. Elle fait le montage.
And I just picked the clips of the people that I liked. Like if I had been a director, that's the way that I would have directed those people, but I didn't really have access to.
Et c'est comme ça que ça s'est passé, c'est-à-dire que le Video Game, cette chanson que vous avez entendue, a été vue et cliquée 3 millions de fois sur Internet. Et de là naît, bah, voilà, le phénomène Lana Del Rey. Et il y a même un picture disc qui est là et qui va sortir. Your album, where are you about your work? For the moment, I just listened to Blue Jean and Video Games. Il y a que 2 chansons. Elle a donné récemment un concert au Nouveau Casino à Paris qui a duré à peine, ce qui est déjà bien, mais 30 minutes, c'est un peu court. 30 or 40 minutes is quite short for a live gig or live performance, but you just play the 8 songs you got on stage. Do you have now all the songs for this album? Est-ce qu'elle a maintenant toutes les chansons de l'album?
Yeah, I have all the songs for the album written, but I still have to produce 4 of them, so.
And is there any cover on this album, or is it just new materials?
I have a couple of covers that I have in mind, but I haven't gotten them approved yet, so.
Okay, is there an Elvis cover? Est-ce qu'il y a une reprise d'Elvis?
What?
Elvis Presley? Elvis, the king,
Yes,
Elvis.
Elvis. Yeah, him.
Yeah. Do you cover him?
Yeah, he's the one, but I don't think Priscilla, we'll see.
You see, I know everything.
I know.
Voilà, et elle se met à bouder. Did you always be like a sulky little girl when you were when you were younger? Est-ce qu'elle a toujours eu cette mine boudeuse quand elle était petite fille?
I would. Shut up.
Well done. You're right.
I used to be sulky, but I'm not anymore. I'm happy now.
Oh yeah, like I can see now. Yeah, okay.
I look happy.
Yeah, okay, you are. Do you have the name of this album, the new album? Est-ce qu'elle a déjà le nom de cet album, or you're still working on it? Or do you want me to tell you?
I think it's. Do you want it?
No, come on, please. Tell
I
us.
think it's going to be called Born to Die after this single that we shot the video for here.
In France.
We
Voilà,
did.
elle a tourné le clip en France de Born to Die qui sera le titre de l'album. Lana Del Rey dans Taratata. Voilà, ça a été un plaisir. Thank you very much. Thank you. Elle est souvent venue dans Taratata, rappelez-vous, Dizia.